It moved. Hey bro, let's start bro. Why you posy? Hi guys. First of all, I'd like to say Selamat Hari Raya Idul Adha. This is my sister.
Yo, sup?
So today we're gonna just like test out some snacks. Yeah, so we're gonna taste some snacks and we're gonna rate them. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna try this one. This is called NanKhata, or some people like to call it NanKhata. Okay, try it. Eat it. It looks nice.
It looks like diabetes.
Diabetes? No. Anyways, naan means like bread, and khatai means like biscuit in Persian. I think it's a very popular biscuit in my family. That's good.
Diabetes.
I make it better, don't I?
This is what?
Oh, this is bought. I didn't make this one.
Oh.
It's not bought. So, what do you rate that? I'll rate it like 7 out of 10.
Yeah, it is.
So, I think I would rate it like 7 out of 10. What about you?
I can't rate things, so I'll leave that to you.
What? Okay, fine, sure. Okay, this is a quiz, pop quiz. What
Does
is
it say it passes or not? So that one passed.
Okay, so this is a pop quiz. What is this called?
I know this.
It has like a weird name, but like, yeah. Can you guys see?
What? Paniyaru?
No, bro. It's called Dobdaha.
Dobdaha.
Dobdaha, yeah. Yeah, Dobdaha. But
I
like,
can pronounce it better.
okay. I think in Malaysia there's something called like lidah buaya, which is similar to this. Not the crocodile, like the kuih. If you guys have something similar to this, it's covered in like brown sugar. With a different name, just comment down below, okay? Alright. Yeah, I'll just have that. I don't want too much.
Yeah, it's not that sweet. It's like fried flour
Yeah. It's like
covered in powdered sugar.
fried flour covered in sugar. I don't know, I'll give it like a 4 out of 5 out of 10. It's crunchy though. Pass or not?
Me in the middle.
Meh. Okay.
I
See,
wouldn't
this
put-
actually came from her office. She had to work today even though it's Eid. But like, yeah. It's I don't know what it is, a Congo bar? What is it?
It's just brownies.
Oh.
One of my.
I don't know, like my mouth is already very sweet. Very chewy. That's very nice. It's like a brownie on top of a Congo bar. That's very creative. I would give that like a 8 out of 10 actually.
I mean, I ate like 8 of this in one go at office earlier, so.
It's way past. If that makes sense.
What that?
Okay, next is halwa. I don't know if you guys can see. It's carrot halwa. I made it. You haven't tried it, right? Yeah, but it's a bit dry though, like dry like my ends.
Or your humor?
Okay. Okay, let's try some. I'll try it. Can you try it first? I already ate it. I made it. It's carrot halwa. I hope it's not too sweet. I rate it like 1 out of 10.
I think this is stuff you eat with biryani.
Yeah, by the way guys, we eat carrot halwa with biryani. Like some of you guys might find it weird, but it's good.
Isn't it too less sweet for you?
Yeah, actually it is. I'm a sweet tooth, but then like Nanima was saying like, oh, that's enough. Like, don't add more. Okay, the next one is Gulab Jamun, guys. I actually made it. I actually tried it like 3 days ago. It wasn't that nice. Quite disappointing, but just try it now.
Should I be scared?
I don't think so. It didn't taste terrible, but it can taste good. Let me try.
Oh, that's definitely not round.
It didn't come around this time. But it tastes good.
Sure.
Mmm. That's actually really good.
Diabetes.
No, like 3 days ago it wasn't this good. Oh wow. I think you just let it sit in the sugar syrup and it's good.
Yeah, you just probably like the sugar then.
Last top.
Okay, this one I made like
Last stop is my mom's egg pudding, which we have for breakfast every Eid. I already tried it, so you can try it. I would give it like a 5 out of 10. Oh, the Gulab Jamun was like definitely a 9 out of 10. The Halwa was like 7.5. I don't know. Even though I made it, I don't know. It didn't come out right this time. How much is this? I'll give it a 5.
pass.
Pass. Yeah, she had work today, so she couldn't have breakfast with us. So.
Actually, I ate it first before you.
Oh, you ate it before you left.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So I think that's all for our video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you know any of the sweets or like food, just comment down below. Or if you know another name for it, also comment down below. Bye bye. You keep busy eating. Hello, Bapu.